We are about to start this journey from Michigan all the way down to Miami, Florida. We are going down there for Rolling Loud Miami, their 10th anniversary. This is the weather we are in right now. Literally 5 hours ago, this snow was not here. Holy shit.
Alright, gang. We are in a fucking blizzard. Sorry for the explicit language for any young viewers, but look at this shit. It's fucking everywhere.
It's bad. It is bad.
I have my hazards out. Look at all these turds. They're going like 20 miles per hour right now. We're going 53. But only because I whipped on sport mode.
Evan, are you scared?
I'm not comfortable. Whoa! Just show the gang.
Yeah. Hayden, Evan.
Wait, did you do an introduction?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Oh. Damn.
Stay down. I want to stay down. Hey, my sister lives over there.
Hey, sis.
Yeah, happy birthday, sis. Even though I'm not.
On the other side of that wall?
You're literally on the other side of the wall.
Oh. I shouldn't disclose that to YouTube, but bet.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. No, she lives like you can still hear the cars like going back and forth.
Like, that would be nice to sleep to all live.
Just hear cars going back and forth all night. All would be wild. Look at this fucking moon. More on the window.
Roasties.
Look how fucking low it is. I can't even see it now. Where is it? Holy sh!
That's beautiful. Can your camera capture that?
Yeah. Should wait. Whoa.
Try using your iPhone camera.
Oh wait, there's perfect view. Sunset is out. It's only 7 in the morning.
It is 7, yes. Only 7.
Yeah, only 7. I'm wide awake.
I'm not. I've been driving for the past 7 hours.
We're almost to Cincinnati.
One in.
Almost to Cincinnati, about to hit Kentucky pretty soon. We are in Cincinnati. Home of Joe Burrow. What is sunset looking though? We're crossing the Cincinnati River, the Ohio River. What's that? Oh, is that the practice facility? It has to be. That had to be their practice facility. Oh, we are officially in Kentucky. I hear this. Kentucky. Another state down. Whoa.
We're about to get on a hill.
Sunrise. Where the fuck is it?
We're about to go on this hill and you'll see it.
There it is. There she is. Sunrise. Sunrise. Whoa. You know what that reminded me of?
What?
The Teletubbies.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Creepy ass sun.
Yeah. It's the sun.
It's coming over right now. I've been trying to get in front of this truck for so long.
We saw the moon go down. Now we're seeing the sun go up.
And the moon come up.
Yeah. After this hill.
Holy
Whoa.
shit. That's fucking bright.
That is.
It's on a different level. What's the UV index right there?
We are in Tennessee. Instead of going to Georgia, we're going to North Carolina. It's just adding 2 more hours on, I believe. So we're not going to get to the motel around like 3 in the morning. But look at this view. We got the mountains. Tennessee. We drove by in the distance. We are in South Carolina, I think. But hey,
Get R2-1.
hey, yeah, look at that sunset.
Running the Exxon sign?
What?
Running the Exxon sign?
What are you doing?
Wow. Take a picture of it.
Sign?
Yes.
For what?
For the swag.
You said for the swag. No, hey.
What?
You know we're in the South.
Oh, no, bro. Stop it. We're not in the South, really. I'm not gonna get fucking lynched.
No. When they use the bathroom, when I asked him where the bathroom is, he said it's over there. Don't fuck it up. I just cleaned it.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's fucked up.
Yeah.
Spartanburg, South Carolina.
Tell them how everything's going.
It's going good.
Oh,
I just woke up from a nap,
so did I.
startled awake, and now I'm ready to go.
We are just leaving Georgia, about to hit Florida. The Gators. The Gators. Duval County.
Yeah, what I'm walking across. Just got one Florida versus.
Right here's. Oh, there it is. Welcome to Florida. Yeah.
Most signs.
What?
I said it looks better than most signs.
Yeah. Football stadium? Oh, bridge. Bridge. Jacksonville, Florida.
Foosball Stadium.
Wait, where?
No, it's a joke.
Oh. Wait, hold up. Is that the football stadium? Right there?
That blue thing?
Oh no, it's probably
Oh,
farther
it's a
down.
giant ass bridge.
That's holy shit.
Where's my Snapchat?
This is not okay.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Beauty. Daytona Beach.
Yes. That's where my sister used to live.
Oh, my brakes sound great. They're getting so better and better. Oh, hi, cop. I'm not on my phone. I was not.
Is that law in the U.S. or just?
Well, that is a really dark cop car.
Wait, that's a parking garage?
Yeah, they made it.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That looks cool as hell.
That architect got $1 million, if not more.
$1 billion and one.
Holy sh.
Honestly, I do like Florida cities, or just big cities in general, because of the bridges. It makes the drive so much more fun.
We were driving down here and there was this Harry Potter thing. I don't know what's.
Harry Potter? What?
Yeah, Harry Potter. It looked like a fucking castle. I don't know where it was though.
They just built it randomly and like Burning Man.
No, it looked like a castle. We are in Jupiter, I think.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we are on a 6-lane highway. Well, it was 6 lanes. It's now 5.
Still wild though.
In this tiny motorcycle lane.
That is wild. That goes out in LA. Fucking crazy.
Nobody's on
And it's 70 degrees out too. What? 70 degrees. Shit.
Fuck!
We have been on sitting here for like 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 5
Flash your
whole-
brights at it.
Son of a bitch.
We're on
That was meant to be.
Glottos Road, and I don't know what the other road is. We're not from here, but we're in Florida somewhere. How many seconds does it say on the thing now?
Show me the. Here, let me show them the trash can fire. If you look in the distance in my mirror, you can see a trash can fire. Woo! And for seconds, it doesn't. It just has the walking guy.
Watch this car pull up and immediately turn green.
I mean, they got to go. They went somewhere. I don't know where the fuck they're going.
It's restarting again.
Oh. Oh my fucking god, if this man gives us green, I don't know what the fuck.
What would you do if you gave them green and us red still? Wild. Will the light turn green now? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Watch theirs turn green. Watch theirs turn green again.
Their turn arrow changed. Our turn arrow's red.
We have to wait 33, 34, 32, 31, 30, 29.
We're about to have to drive here in a second.
Oh, I can't go left.
Fuck. Oh, what? What other option did we have?
We're not from here.
What other option?
Evan, how you feeling?
I feel like shit, honestly. Wow. Wait, hold on. I can get you back. Wait. Fuck it, put this camera in my face right now.
Long
Yeah.
ass drive though?
Yeah, what?
Long ass drive?
That was horrible. I want to die. My ass hurts. My penis hurts. My balls hurt. It kind of feels like a sort of torsion thing's going on. And my back is really fucking warm. So
Yeah.
maybe that's something with my kidneys. I don't know. I only sort of pass nutrition.
Ooh.
So,
At least we got Denny's right across the block from us.
dude, and at least there's a vacuum right there in case I need to like put that up my ass. And real quick. I want to self-mutilate, I can.
One thing I didn't know was that we're basically on the campus of FAU, Florida Atlantic University, which is pretty cool. I never knew they were down this far. Would you rather be 70 windy or 8 and fucking freezing?
You said what?
70 windy or 8 and freezing?
I don't fucking know. 70 and windy, fuck nigga, what do you mean?
It's
Like,
supposed to be windy like this today, tomorrow, and rainy Sunday.
I really hit that farm too. I really hit that farm too.
He did hit that bitch.
Oh, everything hurts, bro.
Every day I'm muscling.
This is palm trees around us, not fucking pine trees. There ain't no snowstorm right now.
No. It's 5:32 and we made it to the motel room. Evan, Trent, Hayden, Evan, and Trent. Your boy about to go get him some fucking Denny's or McDonald's. And we got Evan just doing push-ups. Why?
Cause I've missed my fucking routine the past 24 hours, like 30 hours.
Yeah, I figure y'all were in the car longer than us.
It was actually kind of horrible.
Trin, how you feeling?
My shoulders hurt because these straps are way too tight. So they've just been rubbing me for the last 20 hours. Like, look how red that is.
Oh
Isn't
shit.
that fucking crazy?
Yeah.
I'm very excited to shower.
I'm just in pain in my ass.
Hayden, that chair it is trim size.
100%. But chivalry is not dead, and I don't care how independent somebody is.
Now we're getting into the chair.
I'm sorry. I want this uncomfortable ass chair. No, that's my uncomfortable chair. I want to wake up with back issues. That sounds fun.
We about to wake up with back issues anyway, because they're wrong loud.
I want the chair.
Sorry.
Trin.
I called dibs.
Hey, Hayden,
First
Hayden,
dibs on that. I got first dibs on this.
Hayden. The motel room is in her name.
Exactly. That's why she deserves a bed.
Just give him the chair.
Because he won't sleep with me either way.
But then if he's like in pain, he'll have the option.
He won't. He won't. Trust me.
What floor are we on?
We're on the 4th floor this time.
Not the 15th.
That was
You're on the 15th floor. How many times I tell you? As I do a cannonball. Blow up.